Hello guys, this is Dr. Tulha as you can see, and first of all welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Yeah, I know it has been a while to analyze the market in front of you just like that I am doing right now. So if you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification every time we will upload a new video. So as you can see, this is the chart of gold, and in this video we are going to do the analysis of four pairs: gold, natural gas, bitcoin and silver as well. Okay, so this is gold and this is day one. So let's try to move out on a longer time period to analyze. Always remember, if you are going to analyze the market, always start from a longer time period. This is the key. Okay, so if I will draw a trend line from lower zone to lower zone, then this is the trend line I am just getting right now. And not only this trend line, I am getting this zone as well. Why this zone? Because this zone is very important. Why this zone is very important, let's talk about it. Okay, so as you can see, every time when market touch this red zone, it closes above the red zone. Why? This is a support level. And only time when the market break down this structure, it gave a rapid sell move. Then you can, people were starting calling this move as a crash, but this is not a crash. This was a proper move by the market. Okay, so now this red zone is the key. Let's try to shift the time frame from 1 week to 1 day time frame. So now the things are precise and clear. For the buy session, the gold have to break this red zone in the upside direction, and the very next and the first target will be the top of the all-time high, in which the market will make a triple triple top formation. Okay, thank you. And if the market will remain below this red zone, we are again in the selling zone. This is the clear cut indication. Mark down this red zone. This is very important. So if this red zone reject the market again and again, we will sell the market towards this first support level and this one, and ultimately the third one. Why? Because there is a liquidity here. Okay, one more thing I am going to share with you, and it is very important and precise. Why? Let's talk about. If you will remember the market, if you will see the market, there is a structure of support and resistance. Support and resistance, although are the conventional method, but they are very important. Why? Because they make the market of 98%. Okay, first of all, this is a support level and same area is acting as a resistance level. Okay, first market break this resistance level, gave a closing, and after many days, almost a month, market make this support level, market make this resistance level as a support level. This is precise, simple. There is no rocket science in it. Once there was a resistance, now same area is acting as a support level. Same thing is happen now. As you can see, the market gave a close above the resistance level, and now it has to retest and fall on that red zone. So now there are two zones of buying. First of this zone, and second this zone. Selling is only possible from this red zone. If market test this red zone, you can sell, but keep in mind selling is risky because the market already fell a lot. So now you have to buy the market from every low. Okay, so this is the day one. Let's move to h4 so we can find many other minute and small details. Okay, so as you can see, market two times gave a buy move from these red zone. So yeah, definitely this zone is very important. You have to take a buy limit, buy a trade from that first red zone. The target will be 4840, and the second buying area is this, the lower support level. Okay, so if somehow market manages to break these both structure, then you have to buy the market from the last zone. So don't try to sell it, find only buying in this pair of gold. So okay, so this was all about gold. Let's move to the next pair, natural gas. Okay, so this is natural gas, and if I move the if I shift the structure of natural gas from day one to Okay, so this is the day one structure, and day one structure is clear cut. You have to just make a resistance level and support level. So according to this level, the same area acting as a support below, and now it is acting as a resistance level. So move down to H4 structure, and the things are very clear. You have to take the sell entry when the market is below the zone, just like that. If the market is here, sell the prices towards the last low, okay, and your stop loss will be above the structure, and somehow the market break the structure, you have to take the buy entry, and the stop loss will be below the structure, below the zone. So these are the both moves that you can capture by natural gas, and this is very important and authentic. So natural gas is already done, so let's move to Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is recovering but very slow. So if you will draw a trend line from lower area to lower area, it will show that the market is in the bullish direction. You have to take the bullish directions towards this level. The market will be in the strong bullish momentum towards the 85,000. After that, the market will decide whether it will close the structure or whether it will reject this structure. Okay, so this was all about Bitcoin, and this is according to day one structure, and now we have a strong resistance breakout. So the Bitcoin is hanging and holding above the resistance level. That's why it is very important to take a buy trade from towards 85. Now the silver is very you know unpredictable, due to because it is already hanging on the resistance level, but this is a trend line. So we will keep faith in this trend line, and this is a support level. So if the silver is trying to act as a uh, is hold on this red zone, we will buy it. Somehow unfortunately it will sell this, then we will sell it towards the first low of the market, which is on the 70 month. But take the market will be buy from the market of gold and silver will be in the buy direction in the upcoming week, due to strong news and strong there is no war around the world. So that's why the gold and other assets will be in the buying direction. This was all about gold, Bitcoin, natural gas, and silver. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. If you want to message me, the links are in the description of the video. Thank you very much for your love and support. Take